Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial to crochet the cable. That is really nice. This is the back side and front side. Let's get started. For this cable, this is really optional, the size of cable you like, but in this case I made it 6 stitches for cable. What I have to do, we are going to start to make some chain, and another part is how many stitches you like to be between the two cable. It's really optional, but in my case just I had only 5 between the stitches, the cable. So what we have to do, it really depends on your size. We are going to start by chain 3, and then I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each chain. As you can see here, you have 2 options to take exactly in the middle of the chain, or another option is to make this loop behind the work. So you are going to make 1 double crochet in each chain until the end of the row, and I'll be back. As you can see here, I made 1 double crochet in each chain, and I make 5 for separation between the cable, and I'm going to make the cable in 6. What we have to do, I'm going to return the work, then chain 3 for the first one. Then I'm going to make 1 double crochet on the top. This is 2. Next one, again we're going to make 5 double crochet on the top of each stitch. This is the separation. But for cable, what I'm going to do, I'm going to, for the next 6 stitches, I'm going to make back post and double crochet, and I'm going to do it long double crochet. It means that I insert my hook here, grab the yarn, then knit the first loop, then the other 2, and the last 2. We're going to repeat that one 6 times. And the last one. As you can see here, I made only 5 normal. I did 6. If you look at here, it's different, like this. Now again, the last 5 consider as a separation. Just I'm going to do it normal double crochet on the top of each stitch. When it comes to the last one, also I make 1 double crochet. So if you look at here, I have 5, 6, and 5. What I have to do, we are going to chain 3 and return the work. When it comes to that part, again we make normal double crochet like that. 1 2 3 4 5. When it comes to the cable, what we have to do now, this time in front side we are going to do triple crochet. It means I'm going to grab the yarn, take this yarn twice, and then if we have 6, I'm going to come in the first one. 1 2 3 4. I start to make from the first one and make a triple crochet. Again I'll do triple crochet in the next stitch, and I'll do the last one in this part. So if you look at here, I made 3 here. Now it's time to make in the first 3. Again we make 1 triple crochet, start from the first one. Now we make another one for the second, and last one. You can see here, again we make triple crochet. Now the first cable is up here. Now for the next 5 stitches, just we are going to do the normal double crochet. And the one in the last part. But as I told you, these stitches here is optional. You can make more if you want to have more space between cables, or less if you like. What we have to do, we are going to chain 3, return the work, just make again 5 double crochet normal, like that. Now when it comes to the cable, again we are going to do it like row 1. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the first one from here and make back post double crochet. Now I have to do the second one. I take it here, then just the first one, the next 2 loop, and the last 2. Now I have one more left. I'll do it again. Now it's time to make for these 3 here. What we have to do, I insert my hook here and take the stitches, then make 1 line double crochet, 2 more left. Again I insert the hook like this, one, 2, 3, and the last one, 1, 2, and 3. Let's do the last 5 stitches as a normal double crochet. I'm going to show you the other side how the cable looks like. As you can see here, the cable should like that. When we come to that part again, we are going to start by stitch number 4, 5, 6, and come back again to 1, 2, and 3. It means you are going to repeat that rows again. When you repeat that pattern after few rows, we're going to have the cable like that. This is the back side and front side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.